Okay, I'm not gonna lie, the last few weeks have been rough. The rain came in and just wrecked our pads. Most of our equipment was out of service, and we kind of just had to figure it out. But that's kind of what this whole thing has been, right? So let's get into it. We're dealing with broken equipment, wet dirt, and my dad is somehow still out here every single night, keeping things moving. Both pads are getting closer to level, and we are not slowing down. We are out here another day, literally just more grading. They're just moving good dirt, spreading it out, making sure that it's wet enough, and then compacting it down.
Hey guys, so when we started grading out here, we had a long stretch of really good weather, late February into March. And so we started all the dirt work out here. We were getting really close to being done, and then we had about 3 days worth of rain. Definitely put a little setback on us. On mine and Christine's pad, we had to strip about a foot off the top just to help it dry up. And as you can see, it's a little bit of a mess right now. So the last couple of days has just been us trying to clean up, get it back to where it should be. We're expecting some rain here in about 2 days. So the goal is to at least get this pad looking close to done, but have it at a slope that gets all the water off the pad so that we don't have to do this again. Some of you might be wondering why I'm using the Kubota right now. And the reason is the skid steer had the left track broke. And so the guy that we rent from is coming to pick it up today. So for now, we're just shuttling dirt with this little Kubota, which as you can see, it struggles because it's a very small machine, but we're making it work. So been working on this pile for 5 hours now, so moves very slow.
Bringing my dad a little gift out here today. Not actually a gift, he just needs a tool, but we're out here. So I've been told something is wrong with the tractor. Another thing. I am assuming it has something to do with this. Oh. Are they supposed to be on?
Yeah.
All of them?
There's like 7 of them off.
And they just fell off?
No, I had to take them.
Oh. So in this corner, obviously rain has been pooling to it. We have been using this hose to try to siphon water out. Don't ask, I don't know what that's about, but we have been trying to siphon the water out, and then we will, once there's no water, fill that hole in. So the rain has been pretty bad over, I would say, the last week or two. So we haven't been out here as much. My dad will come out at night if it hasn't been raining. There's just been a lot of rain, so obviously that makes things a little softer. Next week we should have more dry weather, so we should be pretty close. making progress out here. It is slow, dirty, and weather dependent, but we're getting there. In the next episode, we clean things up, deal with another rain delay, and my dad and Chris wake up at 2 a.m. to drive to LA and back in one day to pick up a skid steer that my dad bought. And yes, this was all my dad's idea. I'll just leave it at that. We will see you there. Hey, buddy.